Have you ever wondered about the journey a cigar takes before it reaches your hands? It's a story of patience, tradition, and artistry, a transformation from a simple leaf into an emblem of luxury. Our story begins in the fertile soils of regions like Cuba, the Dominican Republic, and Nicaragua, where the life of every great cigar starts as a tiny seed. Under the watchful eye of the sun, these seeds sprout into vibrant tobacco plants. Farmers, with generations of knowledge passed down, tend to each plant with meticulous care. They understand that the soil, the climate, and the timing of the harvest are crucial. The leaves are picked by hand, one by one, ensuring only the finest are selected. This selective harvesting, known as priming, can take several weeks. As different levels of leaves on the same stalk mature at different times, each destined for a specific role in the final cigar. Once harvested, the leaves begin their first transformation in curing barns. They are hung from wooden rafters where they slowly shed their moisture and green chlorophyll. Over weeks, they morph from a vibrant green to beautiful shades of yellow, red, and brown. This process, known as curing, is a delicate dance with temperature and humidity, carefully controlled to develop the leaf's initial aroma and flavor characteristics. It's here that the leaf's natural sugars begin to break down, setting the stage for the complexity to come. After curing, the real magic begins. Fermentation. The leaves are stacked into large piles called pylones. The immense pressure and moisture inside these piles generate natural heat, triggering a slow microbial fermentation. This process, similar to composting, is what truly refines the tobacco. It mellows the leaf, reducing bitterness and ammonia, while unlocking the deep, rich, and complex flavors that cigar aficionados cherish. The piles are constantly monitored and rotated by hand to ensure an even fermentation, a process that can last for months or even years for the most premium tobaccos. With the fermentation complete, the leaves are sorted and aged. Expert sorters, with an incredible eye for color and texture, classify each leaf. These aged leaves now await their final destiny in the hands of the torcedor or master roller. This is where craftsmanship reaches its peak. A torcedor is more than a roller. They are an artist. Using a specialized knife called a chavita, they skillfully blend different types of leaves, the filler for body, the binder to hold it together, and the wrapper for its appearance and flavor. The torcedor meticulously bunches the filler leaves, ensuring a perfect draw before encasing them in the binder leaf. Finally, the beautiful, delicate wrapper leaf is applied with surgical precision, spiraling flawlessly to create the finished cigar. Each cigar is a testament to the torcedor's skill, a unique creation rolled entirely by hand. There are no machines in this traditional process, only the practiced hands and discerning eye of a master. It's a skill that often takes a decade or more to perfect. After rolling, the cigars aren't quite ready. They are placed in an aging room or escapirate made of Spanish cedar. Here, they rest for several weeks or months. This final aging period allows the flavors of the different tobaccos to meld and marry, creating a harmonious and balanced smoke. The cedar also imparts its own subtle, sweet aroma, adding another layer of complexity to the final product. Finally, each cigar is inspected one last time for quality, and a band is carefully applied. From a tiny seed nurtured in the earth to a symbol of celebration and contemplation. The life of a cigar is a remarkable journey of nature and human artistry. It's a process steeped in tradition, patience, and a deep respect for the leaf. The next time you see a premium cigar, you'll know the incredible story it holds within. Thank you for joining us on this journey from leaf to luxury. If you found this story fascinating, consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel for more deep dives into the world's greatest crafts. We'll see you next time.